Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a thank you page right here in SurveyMonkey. So let's go first of all to a survey that we created right here. So now we are here at one of our surveys. And if you want to add a thank you page on an easy way, we go to publish survey. Then we click on web link. And then right here in the yellow part, you will find right here custom thank you. But hey, if you click right there, we need to upgrade our SurveyMonkey license. And I don't think you want to pay money for it. But if you want to pay money for it, just buy it right here. And then you can use it on the way how it works. If you go back to our design, the only thing that I recommend you to do is just go to your survey and then add a new page right here. And then call this one. So first of all, we do text. Then we do right here, thanks for your information. There we go, save. Then we can bold this one maybe like this. And then we can add maybe more text or a question like, what is your experience with this survey? What was your experience? And then we can fill in right here, it's good, it was terrible, and oh damn, what am I doing guys? Okay, there we go. And then something like, it was fine. And then right now, if you do save, you will find this as last page. And then, yeah, this is just the thank you page. This is how you can make it by yourselves, and the best way of course is upgrading and then yeah, use that custom thank you page. That one is great. So this is how you can add a thank you page in SurveyMonkey. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.